When you start getting to grips with video, it can be hard to put all the information out there into perspective. So tip number 1 is to think about video as if it were a physical tool, much like a hammer or a screwdriver. Every tool has its uses, and depending on your situation, some tools will work better than others. If, for example, you needed to drive a nail into a piece of wood, you'd probably choose a hammer rather than a screwdriver, because that's what a hammer is designed to do. Well, it's the same with video. It works really well for providing certain types of content, particularly content you want people to share. But for other purposes, you might decide a different tool, such as audio, a piece of text, a photograph, or perhaps asking a question would achieve better results. So, even though video is an incredibly valuable tool, one that ought to be part of your marketing toolkit, it's important that you choose the best tool for the job. Sometimes the best tool will be video, but on other occasions a different tool might do the job faster or better. So I encourage you right from the outset to think of video as a useful and important tool, one of many you can choose from inside your marketing toolkit.